everyone, welcome to Oda class, and today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is rationalization. Okay, but before I start the topic, I need to check that whether you are able to remember some calculation tips that I have given you or not. So let's start with some revision question. First question is, that is 7 plus root 5 into 7 minus root 5. Start. ठीक है. In rationalization, the multiplication is the most important part. You should know how to multiply. ठीक है. Everyone, quickly solve it. 30 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's finish it. The value of 7 plus root 5 into 7 minus root 5, this will be 7 square minus root 5 whole square. ठीक है. This is not the correct answer. 49 minus root 5 square होना चाहिए. So this will be 49 minus 5, that is 44. So option A is correct. Option. Are you guys able to remember it? Achha. Okay, one more basic question that I want to give. Suppose I tell you that find the value of root of 7 plus root of 5. Like suppose this. Root of 7 minus root of 5 whole square. Okay. This question we need to solve with this identity. A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is very important part. Everyone listen properly. Okay. If you see here, A is root 7, B is root 5. Substitute value. So this is root of 7 square. This is root of 5 square. And this is 2 into root 7 into root 5. Then I'll simplify, I'll get 7. Root of 7 square is 7. Root of 5 square is 5 minus 2 root 35. And that will give me 12 minus 2 root 35. So in this manner, if calculations are coming in this manner, we need to simplify. ठीक है. समझ आया बच्चों? सिंपल है ना? अच्छा, ठीक है. Now I am going to start the topic. Please stay on this slide. लिख लो ना बेटा. ठीक है. Yeah. Now I'm going to start the rationalization topic, definition, how to do it. But I have one request, that I don't want to repeat the same thing again and again, that you don't have to exit the class. If you're not able to understand it, try to understand it. Write your questions in the chat box. Mentor will see, they will reply. Or at the end of the class, you can clarify it from me. But the leaving class is not the proper method. In the last class, I've seen that a lot of you left the class because you are not able to understand something. So that's a not good habit. Because if you have left the previous class, now in coming classes, you will struggle. Okay. Okay. Now let's start. The first thing is rationalization of surds. Okay. From the name, it's very obvious that rationalization means something you are converting in rational number, and which type of number? Surds. So conversion of surds into rational number form by multiplying with certain number is known as rationalization. Okay. Those who are writing definitions and all, no need to write definitions. You can download the courseware and at the end you can understand. Okay. Like suppose I have a number like this, root of 11. So root of 11 is a number. What I should multiply? Let's say 2 root 11. So 2 root 11 is a number. What should I multiply with 2 root 11 so that the final product is a rational number? Help me everyone. 2 root 11. Yes sir, you can multiply with root 11. So this will become 2 into 11, that is 22. And now what I can see that this 22 is a rational number. So these two numbers, they are rationalizing factor of each other. Okay. So if I have any irrational number, what I need to multiply with that irrational number, both are known as rationalizing factor of each other, or sometimes we call it conjugate also. This RF we call conjugate also, both are same thing. Okay. How 2 into 11 beta? Because root 11 from here, root 11 from here, root 11 into root 11 will become 11, and 1 2 is there. Okay. Can we put 2 root 11? Yes. You can put 2 root 11, 3 root 11, fine. But try to take smallest value. Try to take smallest value. Okay. Now, like suppose I have a question here that is 2 root 3. I have 2 root 3. So, what I should multiply with 2 root 3 so that I get a rational number? That value, whatever you are going to multiply, is rationalizing factor. So, I can see that 2 root 3, if I'll multiply with root 3, 2 root 3, if I multiply with root 3, I'll get 6. So, now this 3, this root 3 is rationalizing factor of 2 root 3. Okay. I'll give you all hint. Don't worry, I'll give you all hint, but listen properly, everyone. Okay. Okay. Clear? This part is clear. No need to write all the things. Okay. Class notes and all you can prepare after the class. Just in the class, try to listen properly. Okay. Okay. Like suppose I have a question here. I have a normal thing. That is, if I have numbers like this, root of 5 plus root of 2. If I have root of 5 plus root of 2. Now this is a irrational number. This is an irrational number. Now, if I multiply with root 5 minus root 2, what I'll get? I'll get, this is x plus y, x minus y. That is root of 5 square minus root of 2 square. That is 5 minus 2, that is 3. So now what I can see that whenever we have numbers like this, root of 5 plus root of 2, I multiply with root of my 5 minus 2, and the final product, it is a rational number. Okay. So this is also a rationalizing factor. Now after this I'm going to tell you that how to identify rationalizing factor. कैसे आपको identify करना है? You'll understand it. This part is clear. This part is clear. Just plus का minus sign we have done so that we can apply the logic x plus y into x minus y. Okay. How to do? How to do? Now the coming slide that is going to come, it is very important. Like suppose you have a number like this. Suppose you have a monomial surd. This page is very important. Suppose you have a monomial surd like a root b. That is suppose 8 root 3. Just a second. Suppose I have a monomial surd 8 root 3. So the rationalizing factor will be what? Root 3 only. Because this root 3 and root 3 they will multiply and they will cancel with each other. So 7 root 3 or 7 root 5. So the rationalizing factor will be root 5. Whatever roots are there in the first term, same thing you have to introduce. So you can see that a can be any value, b can be any value. So a root b, if it is there, the rationalizing factor will be root b. Because we want to multiply root somehow so that we can cancel this. ठीक है? Is it clear बच्चों? The first part is clear. अच्छा, I'll give you all hint. I'll give you. Don't worry. ठीक है. What about binomial sets? Sir, suppose I have questions like this: 3 plus root 7 or 8 minus root of 3. So in all these type of questions, this plus sign or this minus sign you change so that you can apply x square minus y square logic. So 3 plus root 7, rationalizing factor will be this 3 minus root 7. If I have 8 minus root 3, rationalizing factor will be 8 plus root 3. Why we are doing it? So that it can convert in form of x plus y into x minus y, and that will become x square minus y square, and that will give me final product will be a rational number. Clear this part? The last part is also similar. Suppose I have this 4 plus 3 root 7. It may be same logic, 4 minus 3 root 7. That plus sign minus sign. So that when you multiply, it will again become a rational number. Okay, this part is very important. If you want, you can note it down or you can take screenshot, and after the class you can complete it. Okay. ठीक है यार, rationalizing factor is a number which you multiply with a third so that the product become rational number. ठीक है अच्छा, question is find the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5. 3 plus root 5, what I should multiply with 3 plus root 5 so that I get a rational number? Everyone, I told you that what type of numbers are there. 3 plus root 5 rationalizing factor is what? 3 minus root 5. Okay, let's multiply it also. Let's multiply, check whether we are getting a rational number or not. Sir, 3 square is 9. Sir, this is 3 square minus root 5 whole square. 3 square is 9, root 5 square is 5, and that is 4. Fine, no problem. Okay. What I have done, just change the sign. Just change the sign. Yeah, जो भी notes, those students are making notes after the class, you download courseware. From there you can prepare it, or you can check the video. ठीक है अच्छा, last point was this: find the rationalizing factor. In this also, you need to apply the same logic. If I have 3 plus 2 root 5, ठीक है, again change the sign. Like 3, what will be the rationalizing factor? Just plus ka minus. 3 minus 2 root 5. 3 minus 2 root 5. ठीक है, let's check that what is the final result. Sir, this is equal to 3 square minus 2 root 5 whole square. 3 square is 9, and 2 root 5 into 2 root 5, what I'll get? I'll get 9 minus 2 into 2, 4, and root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 9 minus 20, that is minus 11. This multiplication is the most important part. बेटा लास्ट टिप यही है, प्लस का साइन यू चेंज इट टू माइनस, प्लस साइन यू चेंज इट टू माइनस. ठीक है, क्विज करता है ना. फाइंड द रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट 3. डॉट फाइंड द रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट 3. Everyone, simple. Okay, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's finish it. Okay. What thing was that? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Rationalizing factor, just this sign we need to change it. No? 2 minus root 3. Option A. Acha, everyone multiply and tell me what is the answer you are going to get. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, what will be the result? It is, sir, 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. That is 1. ठीक है, एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. या फाइंड द रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ऑफ 4 plus 5 root 5. स्टार्ट. Okay, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's finish it. Okay. Now what I have? 4 plus root 5. Rationalizing factor is very simple. That is D. 4 plus ka minus. But what is multiplication? The most important part is this part, multiplication. 4 plus 5 root 5 minus 4 minus 5 root 5. When I'll do this, I'll get 4 square minus 5 root 5 whole square. अच्छा, this multiplication is very important. 5 root 5 into 5 root 5. देखिए, how many 5 are there? Sir, 1 5, 2 5, and this root 5 will also generate one more 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So 4 square is 16 minus 125, that is minus 109. Okay, clear? Clear? Actually, logic is this only, that we want to apply third identity. So that square square हो जाएगा और रूट वाला टर्म वैनिश हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एक लास्ट करते हैं रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर का. फाइंड द रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ऑफ 3 plus root 8. स्टार्ट. Let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now what I have? Find the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 8. So 3 plus root 8 rationalizing factor will be what? 3 minus root 8. Clear this part? I hope that everyone is able to understand. Rationalizing factor is clear to everyone. 1. If it is clear, you can take it. But now the important topic will start. That is rationalization of denominator. So from the name itself, it is very much clear that denominator will be some third, and that's what we have to convert in P by Q form. That is, the denominator of any number will be some surds or irrational number, and that we need to convert. Okay. What is the definition? Definition is, that is, if the denominator is an irrational number, then the process of making denominator is irrational, process of making denominator a rational number is known as rationalization. This is the meaning of rationalization of denominator. How to start it? Like, suppose I have this number, right? 1 by root 7. I want to rationalize. So what we have to do? In the numerator and denominator, we need to multiply with rationalizing factor. You can see that in numerator also we are multiplying rationalizing factor. In the denominator also we are multiplying rationalizing factor. It means that practically we are multiplying 1 and we are not changing the value. But if you see the rationalizing factor of root 7, sir, we can take it as root 7 in numerator and denominator. So if you see the numerator, if you see the numerator, 1 into root 7 will become root 7. And in the denominator, root 7 into root 7 is 7. Now you can see that the denominator is of this form. Rational number ban gaya na? Denominator is now a rational number. Okay? Simple the logic. We'll give you more example, but tell me that how many of you are able to understand. Clear? How many of you are able to understand? We'll give you 4 or 5 examples. We'll give you. Can you simplify it further? No. Already in more simplified version. Okay, only one concept is there, that is in numerator and denominator we need to multiply with rationalizing factor and simplify. Okay, hard question मिलेंगे, पहले basic question तो कर लो. अच्छा, the next question is, the next example is rationalize the denominator, and the denominator is like this, 3 plus root 5. The denominator is like this, 3 plus root 5. So what is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5? Rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 5 क्या होता है? 3 minus root 5. So you write here 3 minus root 5. You also write 3 minus root 5. And when you multiply numerator, you will get this 3 minus root 5 into 1, that is 3 minus root 5. What about denominator? Denominator is this 3 square minus root 5 square. So 3 minus root 5 divided by 9 minus 5, that is 3 minus root 5 by 4. This is the basic, बहुत ही basic है ये. 3 minus root 5. Everyone समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? 3 minus root 5 divided by 9 minus 5, not 3 minus 5. ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल करता हूं. किसी को दिक्कत है कोई? Anyone is having any problem? We'll start with basic question. अच्छा बेटा 3 plus root 5 plus का minus किया, and that's why we got rationalizing factor. We changed the sign ना, that's what. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, आगे एक और question, easy question. I have this value 1 by root of 7 minus 2. ठीक है. The rationalizing factor, sir, I think that we can use root of 7 plus 2, because if I use root of 7 plus 2, I'll be eligible to apply a square minus b square. Okay, fine. 1 into root of 7 plus 2 is root of 7 plus 2. The denominator will become like this, root of 7 square minus 2 square. And that will give me root of 7 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 4. That is root of 7 plus 2 divided by 3. हो गया रैशनलाइज. क्लियर है बच्चों? क्लियर. क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. लेट्स हैव सम क्वेश्चंस. बेटा न्यूमरेटर कहाँ है? न्यूमरेटर देखो, न्यूमरेटर से नहीं मतलब रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर ना. वी आर सेइंग रैशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर. तो न्यूमरेटर हाथी है, घोड़ा है, नहीं फर्क पड़ता, बस डिनोमिनेटर को सही करना है. व्हाट इफ देयर आर 3 टर्म्स, दैट आल्सो विल लर्न. ठीक है, पहले 2 टर्म वाले तो पढ़ ले. ओके, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन करते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर 1/2 एंड रूट ऑफ -6. स्टार्ट. ठीक है. दोज हु आर लीविंग द क्लास, प्लीज डोंट लीव इट, अदरवाइज मुझे बहुत बुरा लगेगा. ओके, हाँ. ठीक है. लेट्स स्टार्ट द काउंटडाउन. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's finish. Very simple. Sir, we have 1/2 minus root 3. We have 1/2 minus root 3, and from our knowledge that I got in today's class, we are able to identify that is rationalizing factor as this. So it will become 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 square minus root of 3 square. That will become 2 plus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 2 plus root 3. Option C. ठीक है, समझ आ. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. इजी वाले करते हैं ना. Okay. Anyone is having any problem till here? Next question. 1 by root of 9 minus root of 8. Okay. And you might get confused. Sir, root of 9 होता है 3. And root of 8 is root of 2 into 2 into 2. And that will become 2 root 2. ठीक है, सो यूज दिस लॉजिक, ये भी ध्यान रखना थोड़ा। ठीक है, रेस्टलाइज करो। बहुत गोले छोड़ रहा है कोई, पता नहीं क्या हुआ। मुझे लग रहा है उसको राइनो वायरस मिल चुका है, तो इसीलिए वो गोले छोड़ रहा है कि अब उसको कोई खतरा नहीं। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द काउंटडाउन। 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's finish it. Okay. So, first thing that we need to write the denominator properly. Root of 9, I'll write 2, and this is 2 minus root 2. Anyone have problem in this? No? Take a multiply with conjugate. The conjugate is this 3 plus 2 root 2 in numerator, 3 plus 2 root 2 in denominator. When I'll multiply, the numerator will be this 1 into 3 plus 2 root 2, that is this. The denominator is this 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So this will become 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 square is 9, 2 root 2 whole square will come as 8. So final answer is this 3 plus 2 root 2. Option A. Clear? This part is clear. एक और बेसिक क्वेश्चंस करते हैं एंड देन we'll start the difficult question where numerator also have certain different number. Okay, ठीक है। अच्छा, what question I have here? That is, I have a number here that is 7 divided by 5 plus 2 root 3, and you need to rationalize its denominator. Acha, one more thing, you can see that all options are like this, na? 7 into 5 into something something. So don't expand it, just check from the options. Okay, 7 into some rationalizing factor is coming. Your main focus, it should be on denominator. Okay, start. और गंदी हालत है भाई, सॉल्व ऐसा ऐसा जल्दबाजी नहीं, बिल्कुल जल्दबाजी नहीं, सॉल्व करो ना, नहीं तो हवाबाजी में दिक्कत है। अब if you didn't get ballot, restart the app. 20 more seconds, everyone. 20 more seconds. Okay, I can see that some of you are able to understand the concept, but you guys are making mistake. Okay, that thing you need to avoid it. And in the next class also, first 20 minutes we will learn rationalization only, so that we can understand difficult questions also. Oh. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. 7. Now I can see that from the denominator it is very much clear that this will be this 5 minus 2 root 3, 5 minus 2 root 3. The main important part is not multiplying denominator because sorry, numerator, because numerator is normal. 7 into 5 minus 2 root 3. The denominator has panga because 5 is here, 5 square is easy, and then we have 2 root 3 square. Okay. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2 and another 3. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Okay. So 7 into 5 minus 2 root 3 divided by 25 minus 12, and that will give me 7 into 5 minus 2 root 3 divided by 13. This is the final result. Option B. समझ में? How many of you are able to understand it? Till here we have done the basics. Okay. Is the difficulty level of the questions. Okay, Abhirath has done silly mistake. Okay, fine. Now suppose you have questions like this. Rationalize the denominator, and in the numerator we have root of 7 minus root of 5. Denominator has root of 7 plus root of 5. Right? Right. Root of 7 minus root of 5. Denominator is this. So now focus the denominator. If you will focus the denominator, it is root of 7 plus root of 5. So what should be the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor is this: root of 7 minus root of 5, root of 7 minus root of 5. Now if you remember that in the start of the class I told you that how we can multiply a minus b into a minus b क्या होता है? It is a minus b whole square. A minus b into a minus b is what? A minus b whole square, and that value I told you that it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So if I use the same logic, the numerator is this root of 7 minus 5 whole square, and denominator is this root of 7 square minus root of 5 square. How many of you are able to understand? Press 1. जो बच्चों को यहां तक समझ में आया. अगर आपको यहां तक समझ आया फिर चीजें इजी है, because if I apply the formula a square plus b square minus 2 into root 7 into root 5. ठीक है. The rationalizing factor is based on the denominator only. That's why I have multiplied with 5. So the numerator, the denominator will be this 7 minus 5. If I further simplify, 7 square is 7, 5 square is 5 minus 2 root 35 divided by 2. And that is 12 minus 2 root 35 divided by 2. This is the result. Just you have to see whatever sign is there, change it. Plus है to minus, multiply. You can simplify it further. This is 6 minus root 35. ठीक है? Clear? You can cut Samir, you can cut, no problem. Yeah, some of you are saying that, sir, ये answer note करो जल्दी से. Everyone note it down. This answer you note it down. Then I'll tell you that how to simplify it further. Okay. What answer I got here? Nah. I got this 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. Okay. How we can simplify it further? Suppose I'm writing 4 plus 8 by 2. So this is equal to 4 by 2 plus 8 by 2. Yes or not? 4 plus 8 by 2. Is it equal to 4 by 2 plus 8 by 2? Simple. Same fraction we can add it. So similarly you can write here also 12 by 2 minus 2 root 35 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. 2 by root 35 by 2 is root of 35. This is the final result. ठीक है, लास्ट स्लाइड दिखाता हूँ. ये रहा बेटा लास्ट स्लाइड. देखा, कॉमन लेके कैंसिल करो, जो करना है करो. Is it clear everyone? Anyone who has difficulty? ठीक है, मैं फिर से समझा देता हूँ. The question, if you see the question was this. So based on the denominator, root of 7 plus root of 5 was denominator. So I have written here that root of 7 minus root of 5 will be rationalizing factor. Now when in the numerator, when I multiplied, I got a form like this: a minus b whole square, where a is root 7, b is root 5. Here I applied the logic: a square plus b square minus 2ab, and the denominator, third identity, that is 7 minus 5. Just expand it and you'll get it. Okay, note it down everyone, note it down, we'll give you more questions. Okay. How many of you are able to understand? Clear? This part clear? Okay, very good. Acha, I have a question here for all of you. That is, I have root of 3 minus root of 2 whole square. Sorry, rationalize the denominator and the number. The term is this: root of 3 minus 2 divided by root of 3 plus 2. This is exactly same question as the previous one. Same steps, same formula, everything same. You need to apply it. I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes 30 seconds. I'll give you. Solve it properly. Solve it neatly and cleanly. मास्टर बहुत बढ़िया अंग्रेजी सर जी की. चलो स्टार्ट करो. अच्छे से सॉल्व करोगे तो हो जाओगे. Abba beta, if you are not getting ballot, maybe you have problem with this thing, network. Restart the app, you'll get it. बड़ी गंदी हालत है, सर दर्द करने लगा. मोहम्मद सलमान बेटा कहाँ कहाँ सारी रामायण खत्म होने के बाद आप आ रहे हो. Try to join the class on time. The whole story is done today. One more minute, everyone. I can see that 60% of you are getting it correct. Good thing. And those who are not able to understand, I know that you are struggling somewhere in the calculation. That part you can improve. So after today's class, tomorrow you will get holiday. On Sunday also you will get holiday. So solve all questions from rationalization that are there in NCERT or your textbook. ठीक है, 2 terms वाले तो कर लो सारे. Okay, 30 more seconds. Okay, let's start the countdown now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and well, let's finish it. Okay. So I will focus on the denominator. Denominator is root of 3 plus 2. It means that the rationalizing factor is this. Very simple. After some times, you will understand, okay, ये तो बहुत simple है. So the numerator is something like this: root of 3 minus root of 2 whole square. And denominator is what? Root of 3 plus 2, root of 3 minus 2. That is root of 3 square minus root of 2 square. That is going to be 1. Okay. In numerator, we'll apply a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 1. Root of 3 square is 3, root of 2 square is 2, and 2 root 6 divided by 1. So 5 minus 2 root 6. कितना सिंपल है ना. ऑप्शन डी विल बी करेक्ट. Clear? This part is clear, बच्चों. Everyone, this part is clear. Acha. One more type of question that you might get in the homework also is this. Anyone have any difficulty till here? Anyone have any difficulty till here? No? No? No. Very good. Okay. Question is that is x value. ये वाले questions ना बहुत important है. These type of questions are very very important. That is x value is given. X value is 4 minus root of 50. This is the most easiest part. And they are saying that find the value of x plus 1 by x whole cube. ठीक है. अच्छा 1 by x, if x value is 4 minus root of 15, ठीक है, x value is 4 minus root of 15, I am saying that 1 by x value will be this reciprocal of x. 1 by x value will be this. Anyone have any objection? If x value is 4 minus root of 15, 1 by x value will be 1 by 4. Just reverse. x 2 है तो 1 by x 1 by 2 हुआ. ठीक है, बढ़िया. 1 by x, no objection. Okay. Now 1 by x value we got 1 by 4 minus root of 15, but we need to simplify it because इसको हमें काम में लगाना है. ठीक है, सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं यूजिंग रेशनलाइजेशन. So the denominator का rationalizing factor is 4 plus root 15. So multiply numerator and denominator. When I'll simplify, I'll get in numerator I'll get 4 plus root of 15. Denominator is 4 square, that is 16. Root of 15 square, that is 50. I got this root of 4 plus root of 15. How many of you are able to understand? 1 by x ka value is coming as 4 plus root 15. 1 by x value is 4 plus root 15. This part is clear. What I have done? I have rationalized it. 1 by x first I took denominator, I have rationalized it. Okay. Now I have x value. I need to find this value, right? 1 plus 1 x plus 1 by x whole cube. ठीक है. X value is this 4 minus root 15. 1 by x value is 4 plus root of 15. इसका cube करना है. Root 15 gone. What I want to find? I want to find the value of 8 cube. That is 512. ठीक है. Simple. Clear, this part is clear. 8 cube, that is 512. ठीक है. Let me tell you again. ठीक है. Remove everything. X value is 4 minus root 15. I am saying that 1 by x. So just I'll take the reciprocal 1 by x. I'll write like this. ठीक है. क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? तो फाइंड x plus 1 by x whole cube. So if x value is 4 minus root 15, 1 by x value will be the reciprocal. Now this 1 by x we need to simplify it further, and how we can do using rationalization. So the denominator का rationalizing factor is this 4 plus root 15, 4 plus root 15, simplify. So it will become 4 plus root 15. Denominator is 4 square minus root of 15 square. So similarly 1 plus x will become 4 plus root 15 divided by 4 square is 16 minus 15. That is 4 plus root 15. X ka value is 4 minus root 15. 1 by x value is 4 plus root 15. Let's add it. X plus 1 by x. X value is this 4 minus root 15. 1 by x value is 4 plus root 15. कितना आएगा? Add it. I got 8. X plus 1 by x value is 8. So this value will be 8 cube. That is 512. 512. Getting it here? Getting it or not? 512 will be the result. ऐसे ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं यार आपको आपकी उसमें. ठीक है. ओके, क्वेश्चन है, एक क्वेश्चन करो तो और समझ में आएगा. x वैल्यू इज रूट ऑफ 2 minus 1. आई एम गिविंग यू द हिंट ऑल्सो. 1 by x वैल्यू हो जाएगा दिस 1 by root of 2 minus 1. Rationalize it and then substitute the proper values. And one more thing, here once you find x and 1 by x value, take proper sign and all. Check that whether sign is correct or not. Start. सॉल्व करो, नहीं तो गड़बड़ी कर दोगे. अगर सॉल्व नहीं करोगे बच्चों तो गड़बड़ी कर दोगे. सॉल्व इट प्रॉपरली. गलत ही हो गया यार आज। एवरीवन ऑलरेडी बच्चों भाग जाते हैं, कुछ बच्चे होते हैं उनको भूख लगी रहती है, भाग जाते हैं तुरंत। हॉर्लिक्स हॉर्लिक्स, दूध में हॉर्लिक्स डाल के पीने भागते हैं तुरंत, क्लास के बाद बूस्ट अप चाहिए। तो ये हॉर्लिक्स पीता है रेगुलर? एनीवन फ्रॉम योर क्लास रेगुलर कंज्यूमर ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स और बोनवीटा? Let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. I have this value, na? X value I know. What will be value of 1 by x? We need to multiply with this. Root of 2 plus 1, root of 2 plus 1. बहुत simple होते हैं ये वाले questions भी. ठीक है. Numerator will be this. Root of 2 plus 1. Denominator is 2. Root of 2 square, that is 2 minus 1. So root of 2 plus 1. ठीक है. अब first find value of x and minus 1 by x. X value is root of 2 minus 1. And I'm finding this value. And what I need to subtract this. And finally, we need to do the square. So root of 2 minus 1 minus root 2, this minus minus plus 1. क्या हो गया, कुछ गड़बड़ी कर दी है क्या? यहाँ है सर जी. Okay, this root 2 gone. What I got minus 2 square. That value is 4. Option B. Give less time for quizzes यार. Actually I used to give. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा यार टाइम देना पड़ेगा ना, कुछ बच्चे हैं जो थोड़ा स्लो पढ़ाई करते हैं. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, धीरे धीरे. ओके. In next class also we will discuss some more problems of rationalization. ठीक है. अच्छा, हल्दी दूध वाले हो? ठीक है, बढ़िया. ठीक है. एनी प्रॉब्लम इन टुडेज क्लास? किसी बच्चों को लगा कि सर दिक्कत हो गई? नहीं. हाँ, ठीक है. अच्छा.
Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, you like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for all notifications.